Look what we got here. They've all been made especially for our shows. Looks like a sea frog, doesn't it? Do you think we call it a sea frog? Made out of Lego bricks. There he is, sea frog.
Yeah.
But he's got something on the top.
It actually got seatbelt as well.
Yeah.
It might be driving one.
Driving one?
Yeah.
Wow.
A driving one. It follows in.
Wow.
You
Good.
see. Hi is rising. Hi is rising. Hi is rising.
Wow.
Waves getting bigger and bigger.
Bigger and bigger. The waves are getting bigger.
That big one.
Uh-oh, it's a really big wave and it's knocking everything flying. Oh dear. Uh-oh. Well, here we are. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. The octopod's being blown around and all the characters are being blown around. Oh dear.
Get Salta.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.